Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, meron tayong isa pang example for logarithmic absolute value differentiation. Okay? So again, first step is to take the ln ng both sides. So ln ng big thing. So square root ng 5x plus 8 cube root ng 1 minus 9 cosine 4x over fourth root ng x squared plus 10x. Okay? So now let's perform algebraic manipulation, no? So yung multiplication na nandito sa numerator, pwede natin gawing addition and then divided sila by fourth root ng x squared plus 10. So pwede natin gawing subtraction, no? So let's do that. So this will become ln y equals ln ng 5x plus 8 raised to 1 half, no? So yung square root ginawa ko ng exponent plus ln ng 1 minus 9 cosine 4x raised to 1/3 minus ln ng x squared plus 10x raised to 1/4. Okay? So, from this ugly expression, nagawa natin siya into addition and subtraction na lang. Okay? And now, we can bring down yung mga exponents. Tama? Para mas mapadali tayo. So, this is ln y equals 1 half ln 5x plus 8 plus 1/3 ln 1 minus 9 cosine 4x minus 1/4 ln ng x squared plus 10x. Okay? So now, we can perform implicit differentiation. So again, this is 1 over y dy over dx is equal to 1 half. Derivative ng ln 5x plus 8 is just 1 over 5x plus 8 times derivative ng loob, which is times 5 plus 1/3 times derivative ng 1 minus 9 cosine 4x. This is 1 over 1 minus 9 cosine 4x times chain rule. So this is times negative 9 negative sine 4x times 4. Okay? So lagay natin sila in square brackets minus 1/4 ng 1 over x squared plus 10x times 2x plus 10. Okay? And then, we multiply both sides by y. No? So, multiply both sides by y. Okay? So, copy lang natin yung buong yan. So, this is dy over dx is equal to 1 half ng 1 over 5x plus 8 times 5 plus 1/3 ng 1 over 1 minus 9 cosine 4x times negative 9 times negative sine 4x times 4 minus 1/4 ng 1 over x squared plus 10x times 2x plus 10. And this is all multiplied by y. And y natin is yung square root ng 5x plus 8 cube root ng 1 minus 9 cosine 4x all over fourth root ng x squared plus 10. Okay? So, this is now our dy over dx. Again, it is important na sinosolve natin is dy over dx, no? We are not leaving this na 1 over y dy over dx. Okay? So, this is our example for logarithmic differentiation and see you in the next videos.